Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about a dietary supplement. Prostan Plus is a multi-ingredient food supplement that supports prostate health. It contributes to the maintenance of healthy prostate function, supports the maintenance of normal urinary function, and contributes to urinary comfort in men. Prostan Plus also supports peak urinary flow and renal excretory function. It is a powerful and proven supplement that can help you suffering with difficulty urinating. Difficulty starting urination. Difficulty to completely empty the bladder. Weak urine flow. Pain when urinating. Need to go to the bathroom often, especially at night. Prostan Plus is 100% natural that can help you have a better quality of life, because it is composed of ingredients rich in vitamins and minerals. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of Prostan Plus, where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is it? Prostan Plus is a dietary supplement that is used to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. BPH is a common condition in older men, which is caused by increased prostate size. The prostate is a gland that lies below the bladder and in front of the rectum. It produces a fluid that is part of semen. When the prostate increases in size, it can press on the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. This can cause symptoms such as difficulty to urinate, difficulty starting urination, difficulty to completely empty the bladder, weak urine flow, pain when urinating, need to go to the bathroom often, especially at night. Benefits. Some of the potential benefits of Prostan Plus include: reduce the frequency of urination, improve the flow of urine, reduce the need to go to the bathroom at night, reduce pain when urinating, reduce swelling of the prostate, improve the quality of life. What is the advantage of Prostan Plus over other products? Here are some of the advantages of Prostan Plus over other products. Prostan Plus is made from a blend of natural ingredients that are safe and effective. Prostan Plus is a food supplement that is not a drug and has no serious side effects. Prostan Plus is a high-quality product that is made with high-quality ingredients. Prostan Plus is an affordable product that is affordable for most men. If you are looking for a dietary supplement to help reduce the symptoms of BPH, Prostan Plus is a good option. Formula: saw palmetto fruit extract, sereno repens, 45% fatty acids, US plus-ish, pumpkin seed extract, cucurbita pepo, 20% beta-sitosterols, coating agent, capsule shell, hydropropylmethylcellulose, pomegranate seed extract, granatum, 40% ellagic acid, nettle leaf extract, urtica dioica, 4% polyphenol, small flowering willow extract, Epilobium parviflorum, African cherry bark extract, African prunus, zinc citrate, tomato extract, operlicum, 10% lycopene, DL-alpha, tocopherol acetate, vitamin E, L-selenomethionine, selenium salect, acacia fiber, black pepper extract, Piper nigrum, 95% piperine, biopyrene appropriate. Alerts. How to use: recommended daily dose 2 capsules watered with 300 milliliters of water. Caution: do not exceed the recommended daily dose. Not suitable for children, pregnant or lactating mothers. Do not take as a substitute for a varied and balanced diet or a healthy lifestyle. Balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are essential. Storage. Store in a dry place at room temperature in a tightly closed container. Store out of reach of young children. Save before order/lot number. See the bottom of the package. Country of origin, European Union. Net weight, 43.20 g. It is important to note that Prostan Plus is not a drug and should not be used to treat BPH instead of medications prescribed by a doctor. However, Prostan Plus can be used as a complementary treatment for BPH. If you are considering using Prostan Plus, it is important to talk to your doctor first. Your doctor can help you decide if Prostan Plus is the right treatment for you. Here are some tips for taking Prostan Plus. Follow the label instructions. Do not take more than the recommended dose. Do not take Prostan Plus if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not take Prostan Plus if you have any medical conditions. If you have any questions about Prostan Plus, talk to your doctor. Conclusion. And if you want to know more about Prostan Plus and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about Prostan Plus and if you have already used Prostan Plus. If you liked Prostan Plus, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire. If you are looking for a supplement that can help you improve quality of life, prevent prostate problems and have a healthy life, Prostan Plus is a great option. Try it today and see the difference it can make. Kisses and even the next video.